Van Show. Today we'll be covering the MG Electric ZS EV, which is India's first electric internet SUV. And we have got with us Mr. Vikram, who is from MG Lucknow. Hello Mr. Vikram, how are you doing?
All good.
Great. So Mr. Vikram will be giving us a walkthrough of this SUV, and he will be talking about the complete features of this car. Over to you, Mr. Vikram.
Thank you so much. Hello viewers, this is India's first pure electric SUV internet car. Let's start from the front. This is breathable logo. So when you start charging your car, it starts glowing. This is the charging point. Now this is London Eye DRLs with projector lamp. Beautiful windmill style alloy wheels, and here you can see a nice electric logo which shows this is a pure electric SUV car with retractable ORVMs with indicators on it. You can see a design, a sporty design on a car. This is smart keyless entry button. You just have to push this button and you can lock or unlock your car. Now let's move on the back side. It's a beautiful sporty backlight which looks very premium and very sporty, and there is a logo called Internet inside, and the beautiful MG logo with the badging of EV. It shows it's an electric vehicle. And on the upper side you can see it's a rear wiper with rear defogger and shark fin antenna on that. Now let me show you the boot space of this car. Its capacity is 470 liters. And this is a portable charger. Now I'll give you a test drive, and then I'll tell you about the features and the drive of the car. Let me go inside. Now here you can see this is electrically adjustable seats. So from here I can adjust my seat like this. Yes. And now I'm comfortable. Now what I have to do, I just have to adjust my steering. It's a tilt steering. So from here I can adjust. Okay. And I have to press this brake and I have to push this button. Yes. Okay. Now you can see your car is ready for a driving. It is written over here. Okay. Hello MG.
I'm here.
Switch on AC.
Climate control is already on.
Beautiful smart infotainment system. Its size is 20.32 centimeters. There are multiple options. From first one you can see a weather, where we are sitting here. So this is the weather of our city. The second option is for the charging. I mean how much percentage your car is already charged and how much kilometer you can drive from this charging. Third one is our navigation. You can navigate anywhere in the country. Fourth one is for the music, and there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and music. And there's one more very unique feature that is called iCall. You're not getting anything about the car, or you're confused like what is this feature. You just have to push this button. Now you can see there's a message which has been sent to a customer care, and you will get a call back from that. Now you can see the customer care is calling you for any assistance you want.
Welcome to MG Motor India. My name is Priyanka. This call is regarding the iCall button. How may I help you?
This is just a demo call, Priyanka. Thank you so much for calling me.
Alright, not a problem at all, sir. Is there anything else that I can assist you with?
Thank you so much, Priyanka.
Alright, thank you so much, sir, for contacting MG. You were talking to Priyanka. Hope you have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.
Thank you. So now you can see how customer care is assisting you in any emergency. If in case your airbag has been deployed, they will assist you. I mean, if you need any emergency services for that, just give him a call. They will assist you where you can go. They can navigate you like in any emergency, in any situation. Now let me show you the multi-information display on your cluster meter. When you push on the downside, you can see range to empty. I mean, whatever the charging is left in your car, you can see how much kilometer you can drive. Now coming on a cruise control, like this is a cruise control lever for that. So from here, when you push this button, you can set, and you can set after you are exceeding 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, and when you push it up, it means you are increasing your speed, and when you pushing down, it means you can decrease. Manually accelerate your car, it will automatically cancel your cruise control. It's a electronic gear knob. When you push this on a clockwise direction, it will turn into a driving mode. When you push on an anti-clockwise direction, it will go on reverse mode. And when you press this P, it means your car has been parked. Now let me tell you about these three buttons. Okay, the first one is mode. So this car comes with three different modes, that is eco, normal and sports. So whatever the speed you want, whatever the consumption you want, you can change on it. Okay, and the second one is cars. So this car comes with kinetic energy regeneration system. So you can, while you are driving, you can charge your car at the same time. Okay, and the third one is for the battery. When you push this button, your car will show how much range is there. Ji. Now let me show you about the Acon of this car. So these are the buttons for your Acon. When you push this, I mean, it's your off, it's on. Okay, now when you need some air on your windshield, you just have to push this. Okay, this is for your cooling. I mean, when you want to cool your car, you just have to press this. This is for your recirculation mode. This is for your rear windshield. When you need air on your front, on your legs again, on your windshield, on your legs, you just have to push this, and the light glows. Okay, and this is for your fan speed. I show you the beautiful panoramic sunroof which comes in ZS EV. It covers 90% of your roof.
The base variant for MG Electric starts at 20.88 lakh for Excite model, and the fully loaded exclusive version comes at 23.58 lakh ex showroom. When it comes to maintenance, the running cost for the car is rupees 1 per kilometer, which is one of the major advantages along with reducing carbon footprint. Overall, the MG Electric is a great product with no compromise on car's performance and safety. Thank you, Mr. Vikram. It was a great experience riding in this car, and thank you for giving us a complete walk.
You're most welcome.
Thank you, viewers, for watching this episode on the MG Electric car. Hope you liked it. Have a great day ahead.